In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock CFD on eToro. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log into your eToro account. Make sure you're accessing the correct account and that everything loads properly before moving on. If you haven't used the platform in a while, take a moment to confirm that you can fully access your dashboard. Next, complete your account verification if you haven't already done that. This step is important because eToro typically requires verified accounts before enabling access to more advanced features like CFD trading. Verification may involve confirming your identity and other account details, so it's a good idea to make sure this is fully completed before expecting CFD options to appear. After that, check whether CFD trading is available in your country or region. This is a key part of the process because CFD access depends on local laws and regulations. In some places, CFDs may be limited or not offered at all, so even if your account is in good standing, regional restrictions can still prevent access. If eToro prompts you to complete a suitability or knowledge assessment, go ahead and finish that carefully. This assessment is designed to determine whether CFD trading is appropriate for your experience level. Answer honestly and read each question closely, since this can affect whether the feature becomes available on your account. Once that's done, deposit funds into your eToro account. Having available balance is necessary before you can place a trade, and it also allows the platform to fully support the trading features tied to your account. From there, search for an asset that supports CFD trading. This could be an eligible stock, ETF, forex pair, index, commodity, or cryptocurrency. Not every asset will necessarily offer the same trading options, so it helps to choose one that clearly supports CFDs. When you find the asset you want, click Trade to open the order window. This is where you'll see the available trading settings for that instrument. If your account is eligible, you can enable leverage such as X2 or higher where available, or open an eligible sell position. On eToro, those are common indicators that you're trading the asset as a CFD rather than purchasing the real underlying asset directly. If leverage and CFD options do not appear, then CFD trading is not enabled for your account, or it may be restricted in your region. In that case, you'll only be able to trade the real underlying asset where that option is available. And that's it. Thanks for watching.